Google is not just a search engine, it is a powerhouse of tools and platforms that offer several opportunities for people to make money. Google offers many ways for people to earn money online. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into each of these 7 options, exploring how they work and how you can take advantage of them to start making money on Google. 1. Google AdSense. Google AdSense is an advertising program that allows website owners to display ads on their website and earn money when visitors click on the ads. As a website owner, you can sign up for AdSense and start displaying ads on your website, and you'll earn a percentage of the ad revenue. AdSense is a simple and effective way to earn passive income from your website. To start using AdSense, you need to sign up for an account and add the AdSense code to your website. Google will then display ads on your website that are relevant to your content, and you'll earn money every time someone clicks on an ad. You can customize the ad formats, colors, and styles to match your website's design. To make the most out of AdSense, you need to create high-quality content that attracts visitors to your website. The more traffic you have, the more ad clicks you'll get, and the more money you'll earn. You should also optimize your website for search engines so that your content ranks higher in search results, which will increase your traffic. 2. Google AdWords. Google AdWords is a program that allows businesses to advertise their products or services on Google search results and partner websites. As an AdWords consultant or specialist, you can help businesses optimize their campaigns and earn money for your services. To start using AdWords, you need to sign up for an account and create a campaign. You'll need to choose keywords that are relevant to your business and create ads that will appear on Google search results and partner websites. You'll then bid on the keywords, and Google will display your ad when someone searches for those keywords. You'll pay for each click on your ad, and you can set a budget for your campaign. As an AdWords consultant or specialist, you can help businesses optimize their campaigns to get more clicks and conversions. You can offer services like keyword research, ad copywriting, and campaign management. You can charge clients on a per project or retainer basis. 3. Google Opinion Rewards. Google Opinion Rewards is an app that pays users for completing surveys. You can earn money by sharing your opinions on various topics. It's a quick and easy way to earn a few extra bucks. To start using Google Opinion Rewards, you need to download the app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You'll then need to set up your profile and answer a few questions to help the app match you with relevant surveys. You'll receive notifications when new surveys are available, and you can complete them at your convenience. You'll earn Google Play credits, which you can use to purchase apps, games, movies, and other content from the Google Play Store. 4. YouTube. YouTube is one of the most popular video sharing platforms in the world, with over 2 billion monthly active users. It allows creators to share their content with the world, build an audience, and earn money through advertising revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. To make money on YouTube, you first need to create a channel and start posting videos on topics that you're passionate about. You can then monetize your channel once you reach the threshold of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours by enabling advertisements on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows creators to earn a share of the revenue generated from the ads displayed on their videos. In addition to advertising revenue, you can also earn money through sponsorships. Sponsorships involve partnering with brands to create sponsored content. For instance, if you're a beauty influencer, you could partner with a cosmetic company to create a video reviewing their products. In return, the brand will pay you for the exposure and endorsement. Another way to earn money on YouTube is through merchandise sales. Once you've built a loyal following, you can start selling branded merchandise such as t-shirts, hats, and mugs. YouTube has an inbuilt merchandise platform called Merch Shelf that allows creators to sell their branded products directly to their audience. 5. Google Play Store. The Google Play Store is the official app store for Android devices, and it's a great platform for app developers to showcase their products and earn money. Developers can earn money through in-app purchases, subscriptions, and advertising. To make money on the Google Play Store, you first need to create an app or game that people would want to download and use. You can then publish your app on the Google Play Store and start earning money through in-app purchases. In-app purchases involve offering additional features or content within your app for a fee. For instance, in a mobile game, players can purchase in-game currency or power-ups to enhance their gaming experience. Subscriptions are another way to earn money on the Google Play Store. Subscriptions involve offering users access to premium content or services for a recurring fee. For example, a meditation app could offer users access to exclusive guided meditations for a monthly fee. Lastly, you can also earn money through advertising on your app. By displaying ads within your app, you can earn revenue each time a user clicks on an ad or views it for a certain period. Google AdMob is an advertising platform that integrates with the Google Play Store, allowing developers to earn money through ads displayed within their apps. 6. Google Shopping. Google Shopping is an online marketplace that allows merchants to list their products and services for sale. It's a great platform for e-commerce businesses to reach a wider audience and increase sales. You can also use Google Ads to advertise your products to potential customers. To make money on Google Shopping, you first need to have a product or service to sell. You can then create a product listing on Google Shopping, including product images, descriptions, and prices. When users search for products similar to yours, they will see your listings in the search results. Google Shopping offers several features that can help increase sales and revenue. For instance, you can create product campaigns on Google Ads, allowing you to target specific keywords and demographics. You can also create promotions and discounts to incentivize users to buy your products. Another way to make money on Google Shopping is by offering affiliate products. Affiliate products involve partnering with other merchants to promote their products to your audience. 7. Google Affiliate Network. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote products from other companies on your website or social media channels and earn a commission on sales generated through your referral links. The Google Affiliate Network connects publishers with advertisers, making it easier to find products to promote and earn commissions on. To get started with the Google Affiliate Network, you'll need to sign up for a publisher account and apply to join affiliate programs. Once you're accepted into a program, you can start promoting the advertiser's products on your website or social media channels. You'll earn a commission on any sales generated through your referral links. One of the benefits of the Google Affiliate Network is that it's integrated with Google AdSense. This means that you can earn both ad revenue and affiliate commissions from your website or blog. You can display ads on your site and promote affiliate products at the same time, increasing your earning potential. So, there you have it. These are just a few examples of how you can make money on Google. If you're interested in any of these options, be sure to do your research and find out what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.